Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover Google Drive deleted files in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to bring up our Google Drive here at the Windows screen. And the moment you have opened it, please proceed at the left side of that and select for My Drive. So under the My Drive, you can see there a list of documents, the pictures, the files, the text document that you have in your Windows, okay? So let's say, for example, if you have accidentally deleted a file folder or a text document or a picture or a video here at the drive and you want to restore it. Now, I'll just delete this untitled folder that I have created for you to follow, okay? You need to click on move to trash. So let's say, for example, you have accidentally deleted such. Now, at the left side of that, you can see there are a list of the options. Please proceed with trash, which has this trash bin icon. Click on it. And here you would be able to see the trashes that you that contains the folders, the pictures, the videos, or the necessary data documents that you have deleted in your Windows or computer. Now, you can still recover it or restore it. How you can do so? Aligning to it, you can see there are three dots. Click on it. And there you can see an option called restored and delete forever. So you can go with restore. You can still restore the documents, the files, the datas, the documents, the videos, the pictures that you have accidentally or that you have mistakenly deleted here in a drive by doing on clicking on restore. In that manner, you would be able to restore that. Okay. So as long as it is not after 30 days, it will be you can still restore that. However, it will be deleted forever after 30 days. So make sure that you will navigate here directly to the trashed if you have still deleted the file folder without not exceeding the minimum days, which is 30. Okay, so you can still recover it as long as it does not exceed to the 30 days minimum, since the moment it will be not restored after 30 days, it will be deleted forever. Okay? So if you have important photos, documents, videos, as what I have said earlier, that you have mistakenly deleted or that you want to restore here in the Google Drive, I would recommend you to restore it directly so that you would not exceed the minimum days, which is 30 days, so that you can have a chance to still recover or restore it. Okay? So that's it. You can now close the window and you can now use the files, the documents, the pictures that you have just restored in your Google Drive. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.